Hello students, welcome to online classes of Semistar Global School. In this part of our revision video, we will discuss about laboratory thermometer. As its name suggests, this thermometer is used in laboratories for measuring temperature while performing experiments. Like clinical thermometer, it also consists of a very fine capillary tube which is protected by a thick glass called stem. The lower end of the capillary tube is converted into a bulb which is filled with mercury, and the upper end of this tube is sealed. The stem is marked either in degrees Celsius or in degree Fahrenheit. Look at the thermometer. The stem is marked from -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. That is, the upper fixed point is 110 degrees Celsius and the lower fixed point is -10 degrees Celsius. If we look at the temperature markings, say 0 degrees Celsius and 10 degrees Celsius on the thermometer tube, we will find that there are 10 small divisions in between them. Now, 10 small divisions on this laboratory thermometer represents a temperature of 10 degrees Celsius. Therefore, one small division on laboratory thermometer will represent 1 degree Celsius. When the thermometer comes in contact with hot object, the mercury in the capillary tube expands and rises up. Why this happens? Yes, we know that heat causes expansion. Mercury in the bulb expands and it rises up in the capillary tube. But when the thermometer comes in contact with hot object, the mercury in the capillary tube contracts and falls down. Now we will see what precautions we must take while measuring the temperature by a laboratory thermometer. Now look at the picture. The laboratory thermometer should be held vertically or in upright position while measuring the temperature. The thermometer bulb should be surrounded from all sides by the substance whose temperature is to be measured. The thermometer bulb should not touch the sides or bottom of the container in which the substance is taken. Read the thermometer while its bulb is still in touch with the substance. Always read the thermometer by keeping the level of mercury along the line of sight. Otherwise, you will not get accurate reading. Do you know that laboratory thermometer cannot be used to measure the human body temperature? This is because as soon as we take out the bulb of laboratory thermometer from our mouth, the level of mercury in its tube will start falling quickly. This will give a wrong value of the body temperature. For measuring the body temperature, we should use a thermometer in which the mercury level does not fall even when its bulb is removed from the mouth. This problem will solve in clinical thermometer because there is a bend called kink which prevents the movement of mercury back into the bulb and gives us an accurate reading of the temperature.